नमस्कार तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आयज आमी आयल्या बाणावले आणि आमचे बरोबर आसात थळावे आमदार आपाचे फुडारी कॅप्टन वेन्झी विएगस. आयज आमी तांचे बरोबर गजाली मारतले. कारणां 2-3 आसात म्हणून आमी आयल्या, ती आमी कितें ती तुमकां ह्या मुलाखतीन कळटलीच. पूण सर तुमकां येवकार, तुमी टायम दिलो आमकां सगळ्यान पयलीं. जशें हांवें सांगलें 2-3 कारणां आसात म्हणून आमी तुमचे कडेन उलोवंक आयल्या. बट आमी हांगा ऑफिसान तुमच्या येयल्या उपरांत आमकां हांगासर तुमच्यो कांय गजाली दिसल्यो, त्योय तुमी आमकां मातश्यो दाखया, एक्सप्लेन करा कशें कितें चल्लां तें आमकां सांगात.
नाही बाब, फर्स्टली वेलकम टू बेनावलीम. आणि तू चोयल जातलें वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ व्हेरी बिझी आणि व्हेरी डायनॅमिक पॉझिटिव्ह ओरिएंटेड ऑफिस. इट इज नॉट ओनली इफ आय एम इन द ऑफिस, पीपल आर देर राउंड द क्लॉक म्हणटा ते भाशेन. वी हॅव आवर गुड हेल्थ क्लिनिक.
कोण रन करता?
This is on a CSR initiative. It is 3 years now. We are running this clinic. We have a full-fledged general MBBS, general physician, a nurse from Monday to Saturday, 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and free medicines we are giving. We also have a vision clinic, which is on every Thursday here, and we offer cataract operations. एकाय 3 वर्ष झाली. ASG कडे free of cost cataract operation for the people of Benaulim constituency, and 50% discount for the people of Goa. गोंयची दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कोणूय आयले जाल्यार तांकां 50%
बेनिफिट घेवपाक शकता.
ते घेवपाक शकता
50%
डिस्काउंट.
ओके.
So let us go to our good health clinic. We have ECG that is being done
right now
on regular basis. कोणाकूय ECG केन्नाय कितें दिसलें besides the regular tests that we are doing, blood sugar and all, ECG कोताय. So आमगे बाब आमगे कोरमणीचो, आणि he is probably come here to do a ECG. We've got doctor here with us, we got nurse. They are here as a team. We got a post-rate cancer test that we do on every Saturday.
Okay.
So, आम जर तरी सरकारान आल्ले जाल्यार प्रत्येक सब हेल्थ सेंटरान कितें जावपा जाय ती गोष्ट हांवें हे प्रायवेट क्लिनिकान घडोवन दाखयल्या. आय फील ECG आसपा जाय, ब्लड टेस्ट जावपा जाय, हिंगा पोस्ट्रेटा टेस्ट जावपा जाय. प्लस अनदर मॉड्यूल वॉट वी हॅव शोन इज, इफ यू सी हियर, the doctor's name might have changed, but the pattern is every Monday we have a cardiac and diabetes doctor coming on call from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Then we have a pediatrician on Tuesday. We have a orthopedic on Wednesday. On Friday we have an oncologist, and then we have a nephrologist. So we have got one. The whole idea
specialist,
is
yes,
one specialist.
Okay.
The whole idea is कितें सरकारान आज jobs ना म्हणटाय, and one way we are not having facilities. एक पिडियाट्रिशियन, एक गायनेक, एक ऑर्थोपेडिक प्रत्येक सब हेल्थ सेंटरान म्हयन्याक 2 पाट पूण विजीट करपा जाय. तितल्या आनी गायनेक रेजिस्टर जातले, आनी ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट रेजिस्टर जातले, डॉक्टर्स येतले, नर्सीस येतल्यो, एम्प्लॉयमेंट वाडटले आनी फॅसिलिटी मेळटल्यो. सो दिस इज वॉट वी डिझायर. सगळ्यांकूच जाय आनी हांवें करून दाखयलें.
सो हें आतां तुमी तुमच्या लेवलाचेर केलां.
आमगे लेवलाचेर.
तुमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हेल्थाचें कितें स्टेटस आसा? तुमचे CHC, PHC बीन कितें आसा काय, आनी कशें चल्लां?
Sub health centers in every villages we have.
Yeah.
And PHC म्हणटा ती शिशिनी PHC आणि Consolum PHC. But if you see from the time when I got elected, major 3 वस्तू was my demand. म्हाका जाय आसलें डायलिसीस युनिट ओपन करपाक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत. म्हाका जाय आसलें 24 hours डॉक्टर आसपाक. कित्याक एक डॉक्टर ना आमकां 24 hours. तो आनी एक एम्बुलन्स, एक्सक्लुसीव एम्बुलन्स. सो वेर इट कम्स टू द TCP मिनिस्टर, दॅट इज द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, I don't like what he is doing with where it comes to TCP. तो कित करता म्हाका आवडना,
आनी तुमी
आनी I am vocal about it. I am vocal about it. But when it comes to health, South Goa District Hospital पाड आसा. I don't like he is not attending that. But in my constituency ताणें म्हाका 2 dialysis center in the village level. 2 dialysis center. So we got 1 dialysis center with 2 beds in Carmona sub health center, and we opened up something called as healthcare unit, which is the first of its kind in Goa. Assembly demand घालून विश्वजीत राणे कडे तो अप्रुवल घेवन फाटी लागून ताज्या he has already granted and we have opened up. आणि तितून तुका 3 बेडेड डायलिसीस आहा, एक डेंटल केअर युनिट आहा, ट्युजडे, थर्सडे आणि सॅटर्डे डेंटिस्ट आसता, आणि एक तुगेलें एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर 24 hours डॉक्टर आसता, तिका एमर्जन्सी सर्वीस. सो दिस इज देअर वेर द गव्हर्मेंट इज कन्सर्न. नाव करून घेतला. नाव एमर्जन्सी एम्बुलन्स 24 hours एम्बुलन्स ना. आय हॅव बीन डिमांडिंग. आमगे पयर एक भुरगो भायर पडला दांड्यार ग्राउंडार,
व्हडलो इश्यू जालो,
बिग इश्यू, एंड दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ एम्बुलन्सीस. आमगे एम्बुलन्सीस आर ओल्ड.
एम्बुलन्सूच ना.
एम्बुलन्स आहा ती पोरनी आहा. इट इज नॉट एक्सक्लुसिव. 108 आहा, इज नॉट एक्सक्लुसिव. सी माय ओपिनियन इज हेल्था एम्बुलन्स शूड बी फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट. कित्याक मनीस वयता आसतना जरी तरी भायर पडलो जाल्यार तेका मेडिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अ लोकल ऑर्गनायझेशन कॅनॉट टेक. सो हांवें काल म्हणलेलें की देर इज अ बीग फेलियर in providing ambulances on time because our ambulances are old. I am going to walk the talk. आज तुगे माध्यमांतल्यान I would like to say that we would like to inaugurate and launch. I would like to launch this service for Goa, and I would like to give this to the Goa government to Vishwajit Rane, who is the Honorable Health Minister, and it is called as Goa State Emergency and Local Governance Management with 108 ambulance system.
सो हे तुम्ही डिझाईन केला सगळे
I have designed
आणि वर्कआउट करून
and workout करून also we are launching the entire manual of how it is and what we have to do.
ओके
आणि हितून हांव सरकाराक एकूच सांगूंक सोदता the vision of this is ambulance to reach in 5 to 7 minutes
ऑन द
to-
स्पॉट
on the spot in every village. And how it is possible is because I have shown here we have got 191 village panchayats. We have got 13 municipal councils and 1 Panjim corporation. So इतली जाग्यांनी तुक जरी तरी धाकट्यो एम्बुलन्सीस कार्डियक मिनी एम्बुलन्सीस तुवें स्टेशन्ड केल्यो विथीन अ रेडियस ऑफ 5 minutes रीच जाल्यार यू कॅन रीच एवरीवेअर इन 5 minutes.
सो सध्या गोंयांत ना ह्यो सगळ्याक स्टेशन.
स्टेशन पळय सद्या विलेज लेवल ना.
ओके
प्लस ambulances ज्यो आर नॉट मॅनेज करेक्टली. सो दिस मॅनेजमेंट
सो
सिस्टम
दिस इज बेसिकली मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन
मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन
तुम्ही तयार केला.
गव्हर्नमेंट
whole
हॅज
state.
पुट इन प्लेस.
ओके
जरी तरी बिफोर इलेक्शन्स हो गव्हर्नमेंट जरी तो हो तयार केलो हांवें एक्झिक्यूट करपाक शकना. ही कॅन चेंज नांव चेंज कर तुका जाय ते भशेन नांव घाल कमळ घालूच आनी जाय तें कर प्रॉब्लम ना. पूण 5 मिनटां भितर एम्बुलन्स प्रत्येक गांवांत करपाक तुकडे कापस्ताद आहा जाल्यार तुवें करून दाखोवचें. ना जाल्यार गोंयच्या लोकांनी आमकां चान्स दिवचो सरकारां येवपाक आनी वी वील लॉन्च दीस विथीन लेस दॅन 1 year of forming the government and making sure that 5 minutes ambulance service 5 to 7 minutes is available for all over Goa.
सो हे तुम्ही कित्याक केले पयर जो इन्सिडंट जालो ताका लागून
ताका लागून गेलो.
सो तुमच्या हांगा जालो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन.
हांगा जालो आनी इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट फुटबॉल बिकॉज फुटबॉलाक लोकल क्लब जे आहे दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग. यू कॅनॉट हॅव द फंड अवेलेबल. गव्हर्मेंटागेली ड्युटी एम्बुलन्स हाडपाक आनी दवरपाक. सो हे सिस्टम जरी तर तयार जालो फुटबॉल जावं बॅडमिंटन जावं व्हॉलीबॉल जावं कोणूय खंय खेळटा थिंक 5 minutes भितर एमर्जन्सी एम्बुलन्स इज अवेलेबल नो बिकॉज इट इज स्टेशन लोकली स्टेशन. So I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity to launch this all over Goa, and I think this is Goa is watching us.
हे सबमिट करतले तुम्ही आता.
This we will submit. We will officially submit
विश्वजिताक
to
काय?
Vishwajit, to the Chief Minister, to the Chief Secretary. Okay, these are the 3 people that we are going to submit on this launching. This is for viewing of the locals. की आमच्यानी हे करपाक चिंतपाक जाता. First of all, the vision is to reach in 5 to 7 minutes.
बरोबर.
If you don't like my plan, you prepare another
You change plan.
You change plan. तुका 3 मिनिटांनी पावोवपाक जाता तू 3 मिनिटां प्लॅन कर पूण कर आनी दाखय. यू गॉट 6 months. The time starts now. I have launched this. तू कर आनी दाखय. तू करना जाल्यार एज आम आदमी पार्टी आमी अलायन्साक ऑलरेडी प्रपोजल मांडलो. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी अग्रीड फॉर अलायन्स. This will be part of our common minimum program that we are going to make health services ambulance available to every Goan in an emergency within 5 minutes. This is going to be part of our common minimum program.
सो तुम्ही आता अलायन्साचो एक उल्लेख केलो तेजेर आमी उलोवया कितें जातलें फुडें तें. सो तुमी हांगा आतां एक विजन क्लिनीक म्हणूनय चलयता दिसता.
Yes. So
हो कॉन्सेप्ट कसो कितें.
so this is something very close to my heart. My father could not see, and from the age of 59-60 when he retired,
Okay.
till the time he lived with us till 85, तो घरांत ताका दिसती पडनाशिल्लें. And I have seen how difficult it
struggle
is.
and
That struggle.
everything.
आज देवान म्हाका लोकांनी म्हाका निवडून हाडले म्हणटकीर first thing I said I have to open up a eye clinic. आणि this is our tie up with ASG hospital.
Okay.
So we have got this full setup from the hospital side. Every Thursday they come here. They have a fun disc which you check the pressure of the eye. दोड check कोताय तुगे sight हें करपाक. Plus to detect any eye disease on basic level. जे कोणाक cataract जाता आनी आहा detect जाता, we send them to ASG hospital. For the last 3 years we have been running this as a CSR model. I partly pay from my MLA salary towards the cataract operation by check.
ओके
So the trace of the money where we are paying is there by check. It is coming from my salary account.
ओके
And this is my sentiment.
सो तुमच्या सॅलरीतल्यान तुम्ही हे करता
We are paying partial amount of this because partial amount is coming as per CSR as a setup, and partial amount we are paying. So that is the reason we are able to do more than 230 cataract operations free we have done for the people of Benaulim constituency.
आणि
Plus other
आउटसाइड
tests.
जाय जाल्यार तुम्ही म्हणता 50%
50%
डिस्काउंट
discount.
ओके
Depends on the eye because
ट्रीटमेंट डिपेंड ऑन ट्रीटमेंट
treatment.
ओके
See, sometimes it is 25,000, sometimes it is 30,000.
Okay.
So one lens which is there is a standard lens that we are using.
Okay.
But it has benefited people. I have brought to the constituency दोन awareness. दोड्याचो कुयदाद घेवपाक, health of the eye,
Correct.
which people have acknowledged. They are coming to check the eyes. Second is post-rate cancer. दादल्यांक post-rate
कॅन्सराचे
कॅन्सराचे प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते चेक करपाक फॅसिलिटी. And third is ECG. You can
It
come
is
and do
continuous.
ECG.
ECG is
Continuous. झाले रिपोर्ट मॅडम दाखवायचे
रिपोर्ट बरा
सो I'll just show you. This is the ECG report.
अशें मेळटा तांकां सारकें
Dr. Mehta, she'll tell you. मातशें कितें फ्लक्च्युएशन जा डावट
ते
आहा
note जाता.
शी विल टेल यू टू गो एंड कन्सल्ट अ कार्डियक
कार्डियक
कडून
Yes.
बरं कोण
करे बरे बरे
या या
गॉड ब्लेस यू थँक यू
Where is Priya? Office area. So Priya, come. So if you see, गोंयची सरकार 33%, 30% वुमन रिजर्वेशन करतो म्हणटा. आम सरकारां येना सोडा आम वुमनूय हांगा. Staff out of total 9 staff, we have got only three male staff. That is including my friend who drives me around. Okay, Magi Wellington मुडाय तो he does the office work for 3 villages. Rosendo मुडाय, and the rest all six females we have.
Staff.
So we are already practicing. सरकारां येना सोडा हाल जेन्ना
फाल्यां
सरकारां
सरकारां आयले जाल्यार
येतले
तुमी-
जाल्यार it is going to be women's working in the offices, women's priorities, and then when you have women in the office, discipline जो आहा तो discipline maintain जाता, लोकांमध्ये maintain जाता, and it gives a good gesture. So we are walking the talk. We have already started walking the talk. We have got lot of things that we do. आम्ही basically hospital beds we give
हां
on returnable basis. Wheelchairs we give on returnable basis.
ओके
Then we give oxygen concentrators on returnable basis. And this is a place,
where you can sit.
where we all sit down here. We discuss things. We provide various programs.
Correct.
So in the month of May, every year we are trying different things. One is educational type, one is mindful way of looking. So this summer we had these camps.
Camps. हां
आम पयलीं फुटबॉल कॅम्प कॉमेस केलो.
ओके
कोण नाशिल्लो.
हां
वेन्झी निवडून येयलो म्हणटरी वेन्झी फुटबॉल कॅम्प कॉमेक जालें. एवरीबडी देर लॉट ऑफ एस्पिरंट्स इन पॉलिटिक्स
बाणावले खूब आहा आतां.
खूब आहा. आनी बाणावल एक बरें कितें जालें, पयलीं आमदार जो आशिल्लो तो ही वॉज मसल आहले ताका. तो कोणेंय कितें उलयलें तेजेर पुलिसिया धाडटालो, धमकी दितालो, आनी तागे फॅमिली ओडली. तेगे भावा चेडे आसताले, तो ऑफिसा आसतालो, ते भावागे चेडे भुरगे बी आहाय ते वचोन धमक्यो दिताले, एक्सटॉर्शन करताले, रेस्टॉरंट बंद उडयता म्हणटाले, अशें करून भंय घायल्लो. सो वेन्झी जिखोन येयलो म्हणटरी हो भंय ना. वेन्झीगे फॅमिली धाकटी. आय एम द ओनली सन, आय हॅव अ सिस्टर. नो अदर फॅमिली, नो भावा चले अशें चले कोण ना, कोणा गेले ना. मुगे सगल्यो हिंग स्टाफ आहाय ती कोणाक धमकी दिनाय कांय दिनाय. सो वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड इज नाव
सो
वेन आय स्टार्ट समथिंग,
बाणावले धमकी मुक्त जाला म्हणटा तुम्ही.
धमकी मुक्त जाला आनी धमकी मुक्त आसतले हेज्या मुखार.
फुडें
It is going to be like this. People do not like coming and disturbing their
दादागिरी.
peace of mind. धंदो आहा तो धंदो चलपाचो. रेस्टॉरंट बंद करतलो म्हूण मार्चा 18 तारखेर इलेक्शना रिजल्ट येता ते दीस आपूण रेस्टॉरंट बंद करून दाखयतलो अशें म्हूण कितली बाणालकारांनी म्हाका सांगल्या. आपल्यागे रेस्टॉरंट येवन सांगलो हांव. आज ते रेस्टॉरंट ओपन आहा, खुशाल आहा,
बरें
आनी ते
चलता.
परत they know whom to vote and where to go ahead. I think people know about this. So we are doing a various things. तुमचो जाल्यार summer camp on robotics, mindful growth, how to keep your mind refreshed, how to focus, that kind of small things. So this was a very nice thing that we have done.
येस. सो तुम्ही आता हे सगळे इनिशिएटिव्ह सांगले. पॉलिटिक्स कितें म्हणटा सध्या आतां फुडें कशी कितें वाटचाल 27
सत्ताईसांत म्हणटाय ती वाट इज व्हेरी सिंपल. वी कॅनॉट इग्नोर द फॅक्ट that the BJP is full of power, full of money. People are worried with them. They do not like their policies. But people are looking for a strong alternative.
Alternative.
There is no single alternative. कोणाक कापसतात ना 21 सिटां काडून दिवपाक आनी लोकांनी हें चोयल्ल्या. सो लोकां भंया आपण वचोन एक सिंगल पार्टीक वोट मारलो जाल्यार तो वोट घुस्पोन उरतलो आनी परत BJP येतली. सो ताका लागून टील द टायम एन अलायन्स डज नॉट हॅपन एंड ऑल डोंट कम टुगेदर, जो 500 वोट काडून डिपॉझिट जप्त देखून जावपा जाता ती पार्टी देखून अलायन्सा येवपा जाय. बिकॉज दॅट 500 वोट्स could split and BJP could win.
Okay.
So no one can underestimate any party. That party could even lose this. But
So
yes,
you are
alliance is
for
required.
alliance.
I am for alliance and I have supported in the assembly.
But why
And
you are for alliance? Or you are in danger म्हणून बी तशें कितें बाणावले फाल्यां वोट स्प्लिट जालेल्या
बाणाल सोडून सगळे अलायन्स करूया, प्रॉब्लेम ना. सो वी विल फाईट बेनावलीम अगेन्स्ट एवरीबडी, ऑल द
and
पार्टीज.
you will win. Confidence आहा तुमकां.
Confidence aha because there is peace, no? You have seen so many things. What do people want from an MLA? That is what we have delivered. That is what we have delivered and we are delivering. So it's not about Benaulim, it's about Goa. Goa's priorities. We have to keep Goa first.
बट जे तरेन सध्या चल्लां ऑपोजिशनाचे, विजय आपली तयारी करता, काँग्रेस भितर 2 ग्रुप जाल्या, दिसता हें बेगीन जावपा जाय न्हू तें अलायन्स जर जाता जाल्यार तें बेगीन जावपा जाय.
फर्स्ट थिंग इज जावपा जायच, अग्री. जालें ना पूण लेटूय जाल्यार आतां जावपा अशें दिसता. एस्टरडे वी हॅव डिक्लेअर्ड. विजय ऑल्सो हॅज
तुमच्या सायडीन वाल्मिकी विल टॉक.
we made a triangular team. Valmiki is heading the team. Congress has already said that they are open for an alliance. Vijay is also always saying that we are open for an alliance. So alliance mantra is very simple. आमी हाय 7 जाण, त्या 7 जाण रिटेन जावपा जाय 7य कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीनी. म्हणजे nobody should put candidate in the 7 villages. This is first of all fixed for alliance. Besides this fixed formula of 7, ताजे भायर कितकोन सीट शेअरिंग करपा जाय, कितकोन एडजस्टमेंट करपा जाय, तें क्लोज करपा जाय आनी टॉपीक जावपा जाय. घुस्पायन धरून फायदो ना.
एज अ आप म्हणून सध्या तुमचे 2 आमदार सोडले जाल्यार बाकी कडेन तुमची ताकद आसा जाल्यार ती कितल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीनी आसा?
How do you want to measure the strength? Do you want to measure the strength the traditional way or do you want to measure the strength based on performance in 2 constituencies? What do you want to present? तू जरी तरी ह्या इलेक्शना MP इलेक्शना इतली पडले, असेंब्ली इलेक्शना इतली पडले, ते बेसिसाचे ट्रेडिशनल वे डू यू वॉन्ट टू सिट विथ इट? तुवें कितें केलां आमी कितें केलां तशें करून करपा जाय.
तुमचो स्वताचो असेसमेंट कितें एज अ आप MLA म्हणून? इन हाऊ मेनी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीज डू यू हॅव द स्ट्रेंथ ऑर वोट बेस?
See, vote
ताचो
base,
फायदो अलायन्साक जातलो.
vote base, as I said, we have got in all 40 constituencies.
ओके.
All 40 constituencies we have vote.
ओके.
It may not be winning vote, but it is definitely going to be a disturbing vote.
ओके.
डिस्टर्बिंग वोट जातलो. समज लोअस्ट खूंय जाल्यार समज आमकां 200-300 देखून वोट आहा, दॅट 200-300 समज आज
ते
समज
सुद्दां इफेक्ट जातली.
इफेक्ट जातलो न्हू.
ओके.
इफेक्ट जातलो.
Okay.
सो यू कॅनॉट से दॅट कांयच जावपा ना. यू हॅव टू टेक एवरीबडी हू हॅज गॉट 100 वोट 200 वोट एंड यू हॅव टू एकोमोडेट. आनी ती कापस्ताद आसपा जाय. एंड यू हॅव टू हॅव दॅट हार्ट ऑफ नॉट डिचिंग. इफ यू हॅव द हार्ट ऑफ डिचिंग, then you will not form the government and none of us will form the government.
आणि परत सगळे ऑपोजिशन बेंचेसार उरतले
आनी उडी मारून वचपा येता, उडी मारूनय परत वयतले.
ओके. हे जातले परत.
आमी one thing what Goa has to see is we have not crossed the line. We were given offers. Young MLA पहिला आसता
ऑफर आशिल्ली.
when we were young, when they all 8 were supposed to jump, आमकडे येयले, आमकडे उलयले, मुकडे उलयले, म्हाकाय सांगले
कितें ऑफर दिता बीजेपी? कशी कितें ऑफर?
म्हाका म्हूण तूं सांगलोलें, म्हाका सांगलोलें PWD मिनिस्ट्री तूं पयलीं बरत दीत म्हूण.
हय तुमकां
जेन्ना हांव निलेश काबरा कडेन पेटलोलो रिवर सालाचेर, तेन्ना इतली म्हाका मेसेजीस आयल्यो आनी फ्रॉम द रुलींग यू नो. आतां ते म्हटलें नांव सांग म्हणून. असली घश्टीन नांव सांगपाक जायना. बट तूं PWD मिनिस्ट्री तुका दिता, तूं पेटलो तेजेर. सो निलेशाचेर आनी मुजेर पर्सनल कांयच ना. Even if you ask him after that incident, there are a lot of things that he has done for the constituency. Approvals are since he was a PWD minister. But that issue was about River Sal. that reversal issue is still there.
म्हणजे निलेशाक ड्रॉप करून तुमकां पीडब्ल्यूडी दिता म्हणून अशें आसले बीजेपीचे
That was the
Plan
feedback.
or
Offer to you. Cross the line. Cross the
we will
line.
give you PWD.
Plus figures were just thrown, because if I start telling you figures, these are unrealistic figures.
No, कितले सांगा तरी let it
Giving you 100 crores, you join to the BJP. Unrealistic figures. कळ्ळें न्हू?
अशी ऑफर दिल्ली
So that is how it was going on that time, and that is how you negotiate.
आता वाढल्या दिस
ना आता कोण येना मेन्सी बरें and they know very well that I have, when आमगेलो अरविंद केजरीवाल सर जेलीन आल्लो, our entire team was in jail. That is the time आमी वीक जावपा शकता आशिल्ले, आनी आमकां तेन्ना बेट घालून गोराटेक आमकां ओडपा ट्राय केल्ले.
सो ताजो फायदो घेवपा खातीर त्या सिच्युएशनाचो
सो तेन्ना आमी ती बेट धरूं ना आनी आमकां तेमी हुकार काडूं ना जाल्यार नाव आय
It
थिंक
is
मुखावेल
impossible.
वाट वी आर स्ट्रॉंग, वी आर हियर टू डू वी आर वर्क, एंड पीपल ऑफ गोवा आर वॉचिंग अस. Anything you can say, our sincerity, our honesty of
Is
not
towards
crossing
voter.
the line
Yeah.
towards our voter is there, and voter has to.
गिरीशान एक पयर स्टेटमेंट केलो बीजेपी इज ट्रायंग टू क्रिएट अ न्यू पार्टी, फॉर्म अ न्यू पार्टी ओनली टू स्प्लिट वोट्स ऑफ साउथ. 100 कोटी बजेट डेव्हलप. इट इज तुमकां रिअलिस्टीक दिसता हे सावथाचे लोक अशे हे जातले?
Atson मरे, my message is to all opposition parties. Let us not comment on each other's leaders' comments.
Okay.
I am also not commenting on
That
Girish's
statement.
statement. Why?
Okay.
I want to keep a positive line. And I request everybody out here, all opposition parties, आमी आमगेले opposition party गेले leaderan समज कितेंय म्हणलें, let us not comment on him, because the moment when we comment and give our this, that will weaken.
एस्कलेट जाता विषय.
Yes, it will weaken the topic of coming to an alliance. I think that should not happen. So his statement
No comments.
stays there. We do not want to say anything. It is his statement. He has his viewpoint, but the whole idea is we have to come together. We have to form the government. We have to do things that we showed in this constituency. आमी करून दाखयली त्यो वस्तू. आमी सोलार केली सगळी देवळां, इगोज्यो सोलार केल्यो, रेन रूफटॉप harvesting of all my schools has been done. If given an opportunity today, I will tell you, Goa needs to make sure that there are all education structures, जी school आहे, हुस्ती जाऊं, whether it is a Hindu संस्था school, whether it is a Catholic diocesan school, whether it
इगर्जी
is
जावं और देवळां जावं.
schools, education,
या
ती बिल्डिंगां नवी जावपा जाय, तेच रिपेअर मेंटेनन्स जावपा जाय. प्रत्येक इस्कलाक एक 2 ते 3 करोड बजेट जावपा जाय. You have to upgrade the infrastructure, benches change, interiors change. You have to give that feel good factor.
हायटेक क्लासरूम.
High-tech classrooms करपा जाय. This is first thing that has to happen, and this is PWD building section. PWD buildings have to act and come into this. This is one thing that has to be done. Second thing is about health, and third thing is about assured jobs. We have just launched an MOU with one of our schools, that is a college which is opened up, Auxilium College of Culinary Hospitality. They are doing a degree program of 3 years. 3 years degree केल म्हणटरी तुका बोटी ऑयल कंपनी येऊन तुका जॉब लेटर कन्फर्म करता, बिकॉज यू आर अ डिग्री स्टुडंट.
Okay.
ताज्या वयर क्वालिफिकेशन काय ना न्हू, डिग्री पास जाल म्हणटरी. And then you have to do 1 year internship with any of the hotels and took assured job. Similarly, all colleges should have a backup of industries coming and picking up. You are a graduate, तुका दिसलें ग्रॅज्युएशन करून तुका शिकपा नाका, जॉब करपा जाव. You have got
can go
industries
and-
coming and absorbing. So this is a dream to make Goa unemployment free. Total, we cannot be 100% employed. No
Okay,
country can do
mache
that.
astat tase.
असतले, but you should have a
You
vision
have
to
to give
achieve.
that push at
You have
least.
to give the push. You have to work.
Correct.
Call industries. That is what 3 things that we would want to do.
लास्ट सध्या तुम्ही तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन अगेन्स्ट 39A, अगेन्स्ट NDZ, NDA एक कॅम्पेन सुरू केला ऑन अ व्हेरी हाय लेवल म्हणटा तशें. वाय यू आर डुईंग दीस कॅम्पेन?
See, पयले सुवातेर
फॉर हेल्थ यू प्रेज्ड मिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे, एंड फॉर TCP यू आर कितें म्हणटा तशें तुमी ताका हें करता,
नाही.
ताचेर आरोप करता, टिका करता आनी सगळें करता.
You see, the issue is I am very clear from day one. गोंयची जमीन जी आहा is a different kind of a fertile land. When it rains, we have got land which absorbs the water, due to which we do not drown. आज drowning and flooding जावपा कित्याक पावना, because त्यो जमीन
Our soil is fertile.
fertile and it absorbs.
सारकें.
So that is there. That is part of our the entire
Ecosystem, we can-
ecosystem.
Correct.
So त्या ecosystem तून disturb करपा लागलो in the name of environment. जाल्यार इट वील समवे डिस्टर्ब अस. ग्लोबली इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग. पावस उणी कित्याक जालो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट. सो ऑनरेबल TCP मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे is attempting to do these changes through 39A, through the previous, all the new amendments that he has brought, and we have been fighting. So, which is not the right thing for Goa. He will live and I will live for a certain span,
Correct.
but these things will damage Goa's profile
For our future generation.
for a future generation. And in order to make sure to protect your mistakes, if you are going to do another mistake, so in order to protect his decision of paddy fields to settlement under 39A, and to show in court that this decision is not only for paddy fields to settlement, it is also for paddy fields to NDA.
NDA.
तू म्हाका एक सांग, जी आतां खजान लँड आहा, इट इज ऑलरेडी प्रोटेक्टेड.
Correct.
इन प्रोटेक्टेड लँड तुमगे मिनिस्टर इल्लिगली बांदकाम करता, मॅनग्रोव्स डिस्ट्रॉय करता इल्लिगली. You all are not taking action over protected land. You are now trying to say you are reprotecting by another layer of NDA. तोच मिनिस्टर NDA हितू केलें जाल्यार कितें करतले तुमी? करना न्हू तुमी. So I think somewhere this NDA topic has to be taken back. It is like the coconut tree getting converted to grass and cut all coconut trees wherever you want it and
Again,
then bring it back to coconut
coconut
tree.
tree.
So now convert paddy fields to NDA, take over the land, whatever you want to take over, and when people make too much of noise, then you bring it back to paddy fields. So this is what is looking, this is what I feel that they are trying
This is
to
your
do.
thought.
This is the thought of the people that they agree. This is the thought of everybody who is there behind environment protection. Otherwise, they should give a reason why. Why? Where is NDA in the TCP Act? Where it is? So somewhere I think these things have to come out loud and
Suspicious
clear.
असा हे मातशे सगळे.
It is not suspense. It is purposely kept in that way. It is purposely kept hanging to see. आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन सगळ्यो जमीन आहाय त्यो आतां पॅडी फिल्ड्स आहा ते तूं NDA म्हणटा. सो सगळ्यो जमीन NDA तूं हाल कायदो काडटलो दॅट NDA लँड कॅन बी टेकन ओवर. You can take over because NDA does not come under Transfer of Land Act.
Correct.
Plus NDA land has no
So there are different laws for that.
classification. You will come up with a new law. So and why to do it? What is the reason?
So there is no reason given by government.
You want to extra protect? You are not protecting what is required to be protected. No.
सारखे.
Already there is a layer.
पेडी फील्ड बीन सगळे प्रोटेक्टेड
Protected आहा पूण protected in तूं
परत तू NDA
तूं बिल्डिंग काडटा केन्ना तूं रिस्टोर करना. You are never, your protecting agencies are never acting because you all are not giving them to act.
फ्री हँड.
You are not giving them free hand. No. So then what is this?
सो वेंजी बाब तुम्ही टाइम दिलो आणि आमच्या वांगडा ही भासाभास केली. त्या भायर तुम्ही एक मॉडलूय आता तयार केला फॉर एम्ब्युलन्स टू रीच इन 5 minutes. सो तो सरकारान मातसो घेवचो मतींत. कित्याक एक इन्सिडंट तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाला आणि एक भुरगो यंग भुरगो ताणें आपले लायफ म्हणटा तशी जिवीत वगडायला. सो तुमचो हो उलो सरकारा पर्यंत पावचो आनी कितें तरी पॉझिटिव्ह जावचें इतलें आमी मागता आनी आमी हांगा थांबता.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयत रावात दी वॉयस फॉर गोंय. देव बरें करूं.
The Voice for Coin.